Yang mulia, waktu yang tersedia bagi kita untuk mencapai target SDGs tahun 2030 tinggal kurang dari 9 tahun. Pandemi COVID-19 yang melanda seluruh dunia semakin mempersulit pencapaian target SDGs tersebut. Bahkan berbagai kemajuan selama ini yang kita capai telah tergerus akibat pandemi. Di dunia, 255 juta orang kehilangan pekerjaan. Di dunia, 110 juta orang kembali ke jurang kemiskinan. Dan di seluruh dunia, 83 hingga 132 juta orang terancam kelaparan dan mengalami malnutrisi.
Excellency, the remaining time that we have to achieve the SDGs targets by 2030 is less than 9 years. The COVID-19 pandemic that affects the whole world has further complicated the attainment of the SDGs targets. In fact, many of our advancements so far has been undermined due to the pandemic. 255 million people in the world have lost their jobs. 110 million people in the world have slid back into poverty. And all over the world, 83 to 132 million people are at risk of hunger and malnutrition.
Dalam situasi yang sulit seperti ini, business as usual tidak bisa dilanjutkan. Kerjasama dan solidaritas harus dipertebal dan inovasi harus ditingkatkan. No country can progress until all countries progress. Oleh karena itu, saya ingin sampaikan beberapa pemikiran. Pertama, kita harus membuat dunia untuk segera pulih dari pandemi. Vaksin adalah harapan untuk mempercepat dunia keluar dari krisis kesehatan ini. Akses yang adil dan merata terhadap vaksin harus dijamin. Namun hingga saat ini kita melihat kesenjangan akses vaksin masih sangat lebar.
In such a difficult situation, business as usual cannot continue. Cooperation and solidarity must be intensified, and innovation must be enhanced. No country can progress until all countries progress. Therefore, I wish to share a few thoughts. First, we must enable the world's quick recovery from the pandemic. Vaccines are our hope to accelerate the world's access out of this health crisis. Fair and equitable access to vaccines must be guaranteed. But until now, we are witnessing how the gap in vaccine access is still very wide.
Vaksin sebagai global public goods jangan hanya menjadi slogan. Indonesia mendorong agar kita melakukan percepatan realisasi kesetaraan akses vaksin bagi semua negara, termasuk melalui berbagi dosis lewat COVAX Facilities. Pemenuhan kebutuhan pendanaan vaksin multilateral, peningkatan produksi vaksin global termasuk melalui TRIPS waiver, penguatan global supply chain vaksin, termasuk menghilangkan hambatan ekspor dan hambatan bahan baku vaksin, dan peningkatan diversifikasi dan volume produksi vaksin termasuk di negara berkembang.
Vaccines as a global public good must not remain merely a slogan. Indonesia encouraged all of us to accelerate realization of access to vaccine for all countries, including through dose sharing, through the COVAX facilities, meet the funding need for multilateral vaccine scheme, increase global vaccine productions, including through the TRIPS waiver, strengthen global vaccine supply chain, including removing export barriers and obstacles to vaccine raw materials, and increase diversification and volume of vaccine production, including in developing countries.